Hi everyone and welcome to the RISE class. My name is Angela Honora, the founder of the RISE class and one of your facilitators. Over the next 8 weeks, you are encouraged to pick a project as part of your learning process. Please watch all the videos that have been selected to get you started. You will be exploring the world of writing for the next 3 weeks. A time to figure out what kind of writing you want to do. A time to tap into the natural storyteller in you. We will go through the creative process of finding an idea you're passionate about and turning that into a script. For this part of the program, you will get some extra help from videos we have put together for you, sharing tips on how we do what we do. I shot this video you're watching right now using my phone, and this is the essence of this program. To teach you how to use your phone to make video content for any purpose. For the last 3 weeks of the program, we will also be sending you some videos on editing. Editing is the most rewarding part of video production because you get to see your idea come to life. It will be a time to assemble what you've shot and test out as many video editing apps as you can to find what works best for you. Dedicate time every day to watch the videos that have been selected for you. Make that time sacred. Enjoy the videos, learn from them, and if you have any questions, please reach out to your facilitator or myself. Welcome to the RISE class.